Today I have a GMC Sierra and I'm going to show you how to put the middle seat up in the upright position so you can have another passenger, as well as put the middle seat down so you can have more space to put things such as your cell phone, sodas, coffee, whatever you need on based on there. And also comes with a compartment that you can raise up right down there. You need that down. So I'm going to show you how to put it up and down. But before I get started, if you can give me a thumbs up if you find my video helpful in any way. So let's get started. So here is the middle seat. Now to raise it up, you simply go ahead and come right here, and there's just an end point right here that sticks out. You just take this and pull it up, and it locks into place. You can test it by pulling back on it. See, that's locked into place. Now to put it down, what you'll do is you'll come up to the same seat. Instead of grabbing this right here, get in wide so you can see this, you'll take this pulley system. Do you see this pulley system? I'm going to pull this, and when I pull it, the seat comes forward and it comes down just like that. And you can put your coffee, soda, whatever you need up there, cell phone, keys, batteries, right there. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.